We will take the next question. I do not want to disclose my name and pardon me for that. I am a female dentist. I am from Kashmir and currently I am running my own dental clinic. I treat both male and female patients in my clinic. I want my earnings to be halal and I'm very concerned about it. My question is, being a female dentist, I just want to treat females and children at my clinic. But if a male patient comes to me with an acute pain, shall I treat him or not? There is no other clinic up to 2 kilometers in my area. Please note I am following complete hijab at my clinic. Please guide me so that my dunya and akhirah won't get compromised due to my profession. As far as treating a patient is concerned, we should see to it that male doctors treat male patients and female doctors treat female patients. This should be practiced so that the hijab, it is maintained. And in today's time, in most parts of the world, we have female doctors as well as male doctors. So what is the reason for a female doctor to treat male patients? What is the reason for a male doctor to treat female patients? We have several doctors, and among these doctors there are male doctors as well as female doctors. So the female patient should go to the female doctor and the male patient should go to the male doctor. This is very important. And regarding your question that you are a dentist, so what should you do in this situation? Certain times you have certain male patients coming to you. What you should do is that first you should mention it clearly that your clinic, it is only meant for females. And if you want to include children, for example, children who have not reached the age of puberty, there is no problem in this. So you should mention it clearly, for example, at the entrance of your clinic, that this clinic is exclusively for females. And you should advertise your clinic in such a way that it is exclusively for females. And we have this in certain countries of the world. For example, in Saudi Arabia, we have certain clinics wherein there is a female doctor and this clinic is only meant for females. We have female dentists who practice dentistry, and in their clinic they clearly mention it that it is meant for females, and they have female patients who come to their clinics, and generally male patients do not come to their clinics. So if you mention it clearly that this clinic is only meant for females, then inshallah you will only have female patients. And the reason why I'm stressing upon female doctors treating female patients only and male doctors treating male patients only is because many a times when a doctor is treating a patient, they are in close proximity. For example, a dentist is treating a patient. So the dentist is in close proximity to the patient generally. And many a times the dentist has to touch the patient when he's treating the patient. So many a times the rules of hijab, they are broken. So therefore, we should see to it that in order to maintain the hijab, male doctors should treat male patients and female doctors should treat female patients. If there is a situation of dire necessity or an emergency, and if a male patient comes to a female doctor, then in this situation there is no problem, because it is an emergency, it is a necessary, it is a dire necessity. Or for example, if someone is dying or someone is having excessive and extreme pain, it is unbearable. So in this situation, you can accept male patients. There is no problem. So generally what you should do is clearly mention it that your clinic is meant for females. If there are certain situations wherein there is an emergency and if a male patient comes, you can treat the male patient. But generally, you should try your level best that you treat only female patients, because this will help you in order to maintain your hijab, and it will help you in order to maintain the rules of Sharia and not break the rules and criteria of hijab.